I was sent some clamps to check out, so let me open them up here. These are a 2-piece mini quick release bar clamp. So let me open them up. They're just held together with some zip ties here. So this is a nice little 2-pack. You can see there's a little release button here, and you can clamp it down. Because of the way it's designed, you can do it with one hand, which is nice. You just ratchet it up, that releases it. So this part is metal, and then these are plastic, and it has the nice little rubber area here so that you can protect your project. But I refinish furniture, and sometimes I make really small repairs, and so this will be super handy to make tiny repairs to hold things in place while it's being repaired. So let me show you how they work. So I have a little repair here I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna use these clamps to work on holding it. So I've just got a little veneer here I'm gonna glue up. So sometimes this can be an awkward angle, and so this little guy is gonna fit right here and hold in that repair. So sometimes you need things for like tiny little areas, and I think these are gonna come in really handy. So they extend out to right about 4.5 inches. So if you have a small area that you need to clamp something up, I think these would be super handy. So check them out.